So let's assume that this is fresh air, and these are the filters. Number one, you can see the condition of the filters. Filters have not been changed for a very long time. As a matter of fact, one of the filters have been displaced. It's not even in the frame to be able to block the airborne pathogens. So the only thing that's happening here is the air is literally passing through without filtration. And again, these are things. And then it's funny here because we have a follow-up picture here, and you can see. So these are dampers. These are dampers for, again, let's assume that this is outdoor air intake, and these are discarded filters. As a matter of fact, I'm not even certain if, because this looks like these filters are for this frame. So that means that these filters fell out of the frame, and nobody, not to forget about replacing the filters, nobody even put the existing filters into place. So these fell out at some point, and nobody even put the filters back. And this goes well beyond, just the coronavirus outbreak that we're having here. We just looked at a long list of indoor air pathogens: SARS, influenza, the cold, tuberculosis. Uh, um, it reminds me of when people say, well, they don't want to get their kids vaccinated because there might be dangers. That's your right. However, there's a greater concern here. I could say, well, these filters don't matter because the majority of the people in the building don't have tuberculosis. But if one person does, then it gets circulated to everybody. And this is, for me, we need to bring greater attention to indoor air quality and the role that the people who work in the building and who live in these facilities need to understand. Even if it is not your job to resolve this situation, this is unacceptable.